Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at the TIG moving average. Now the TIG moving average is an EMA, and an EMA is one of the most popular technical analysis tools on the market. It serves a variety of different functions and it's used by traders, by so many different traders, and it's really an effective indicator. But the indicator, guys, we have a very unique take on it to make it even more effective. We've coloured the line so you know exactly what's happening. Now sometimes when you look at an EMA and prices hovering around it, it can be difficult to tell if the buyers or the sellers are in control. So by colouring the EMA blue and red, we've made the EMA visually much more easier to see. So this is absolutely great for a visual reference. So you can just look to the left of your chart and see what your EMAs are doing, and you know exactly what the current trend is. So if everything is blue, then price is heading up, as you can see on this one here. We're very clearly blue, and price keeps rising and rising and rising. Likewise, if price is red, then everything's heading down. So if we look at this side of the chart, then everything's red, and price keeps going down and down and down. So there's so many different ways you can use the EMA here. One way is you can trade the classic EMA cross. Now EMAs can sometimes be a little bit difficult to see on regular price charts. It's not always clear if they truly crossed or not. So the TIG EMA makes that so much simpler. So if we look at the cross up here, we go from blue to red, and then we get our cross. Now that's visually much easier to see than it would be on a standard price chart. So you know that the buy momentum has now ended, and now the sellers are in control, and they're going to look to take the market to the short. So the TIG EMA is great if you just want to trade basic moving average crosses, which is a very popular way to trade. You can also use the moving average to keep on the right side of the market. One of the most popular ways to the EMA is to use it as buy and selling signal. So if price is above the EMA, you want to look to buy. If price is below, you want to look to sell. But again, at the indicator, guys, we've tried to make this even more simpler. So you just look to your chart and say, okay, what colour is the EMA? It's blue. Okay, I want to buy the market. The EMA is red. I want to sell this market. So you can see very, very well in this chart here. When the EMAs are blue, we get very heavy uptrend. So we only want to be looking at buying this market. And when it's red, we only want to be looking at selling this market. So that's the TIG EMA. It's, as I say, we've taken a very popular technical analysis tool and tried to make it even better and even easier for the trader. So we coloured it red and blue just for great visual reference. So I hope you guys find that useful.